Lovely curb appeal is only the beginning. Meticulously maintained brick rancher, updated and ready for its next chapter. 4 BRs 2 BAs, updated flooring tute. Wonderful floorplan west/multiple living spaces. Formal living room dining room off foyer, cozy den west/wood burning fireplace flanked by built-in bookshelves and large and happy sunroom off kitchen and den. Bonus room off side door entrance offers multiple use options. Kitchen is updated west/Corian, stainless steel appliances, subway tile backsplash and cleverly designed cabinetry. Both baths are remodeled with granite and fixtures. Huge laundry room west/utility sink. Great storage. Detached 2-car, 2-story garage west/workshop,